In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Chrome using the command prompt in Windows. For many of us, using the command prompt might not be a usual activity, but once you get the hang of it, you'll realize how powerful this tool can be, even for something as straightforward as launching a web browser. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open the command prompt, a command line interface that lets you interact with your Windows operating system. To do this, you'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard along with the R key. This action opens the Run dialog box. In the dialog box, you will find a field where you can type commands. Here, simply type CMD and hit Enter. This process will bring up the command prompt window, which might look plain and intimidating at first, but bear with me. Now that you have the command prompt open, let's get to launching Google Chrome. In the command prompt window, you need to type the command Start Chrome. It's essential to type it exactly as shown, with lowercase letters and a space between Start and Chrome. Once you've done that, go ahead and press Enter on your keyboard. This simple command will instruct your computer to open Google Chrome immediately. If, however, you want to open Chrome to a specific website as soon as it launches, you can modify your command. Let's say you want Google Chrome to open directly to Google's homepage. Instead of just typing Start Chrome, you'll want to type Start Chrome www.google.com. Make sure there's a space between Chrome and www.google.com so that the command is recognized correctly. After entering this command, press Enter again. This time, when Chrome launches, it will navigate directly to the web page you specified. This feature is particularly useful if there's a site you visit frequently and want quick access to. And there you have it. You've just learned a quick and efficient way to open Google Chrome and even launch it to your preferred website using the command prompt. Once you've mastered this, you can explore other useful commands, vastly extending the capabilities at your fingertips. Remember, the command prompt is a powerful tool, and with a bit of practice, it can become an invaluable part of your workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing.